Hi, my name is Ishwar and I'm going to show you a quick demo of how Unsolved helps tutors and coaches go online, start generating leads and start coaching all in a flash using AI. Let me share my screen and get started. First step is for you to visit www.unsolved.network. Click this button, launch in 2 minutes with AI, fill out some details, your name, email, etc. And then you need to enter what topic you want to teach, right? Like for example, if I'm a math teacher and I help children ace the math Olympiads, that this is what my expertise would be. As soon as you've done this and you've said I'm not a robot, then just click create a coaching site. What AI does is it firstly creates a beautiful, completely full-fledged coaching site just for you. It's taking about 5 minutes to get this started, so we'll have to wait for 5 minutes to see the complete website. But instead of waiting, let me show you more. So first thing that we do is we give you a website. The second thing is you actually have a complete system to coach. So it's not just a website. You have a feed where you can engage your members. You have live events that you can do here. You can upload a video and tag it to a category. You can do all of that. But do you have to do that? No, not really. We use AI assistants to teach. So let's say if I'm a Math Olympiad teacher, I just go to settings. I go to GPTs, right? And firstly, I actually go to maths. And then I look at, we already have GPTs defined for Math Olympiad, primary school, unlimited training, etc. You just go here, click add. Then if you want to add more, you just go there, again click add. Now you have basically already created added two pre-trained GPTs to your coaching site. Where do these appear? They appear here, now available for every member who joins. They can start using your GPTs and start training with it. How does the whole thing work? It just click on it. These are GPTs which are trained for this particular purpose. So it's a chat interface. They're meant to train you for the Math Olympiad. So the second you actually interact with it, it's going to now start talking to you about Math Olympiads and whether you want the next question, etc. So it says let's start, and we are getting started. It will give you questions. When you answer the questions correctly, it will give you points. It will put you on a streak. It will count all of these things for you. For example, you have 5 apples and get 3 more. How many apples do you have in total? Luckily, I know the answer. Thankfully, I set primary school level, right? But as soon as you answer this question, the next question will be significantly tougher because it's actually trying to assess what level you are at. Now, the beauty of this entire thing is you have not just generated a website, you also have pre-trained GPTs to help you get started coaching. Is this it? Not really. There's one more thing. Do you see the AI bot over here right on top on the dashboard? The AI points. So here, before I go to the AI bot, total points, current streak, average points per question, right? And of course, your next question is here, right? Now you can of course keep answering this as much as you like. It trains people to do that. Now this AI bot is very different from the GPTs that you just saw. The AI bot is meant to be an assistant, a marketing assistant to this coach. So what it does is, let's say if I want to create an ad, to promote myself, right? If I don't know what ad to create, don't worry, just go here, click our pre-trained prompts. It'll tell you basically it's already designed to help this person sell themselves. So far, what we have done is we've just told the GPT what our expertise is. Now you can see your master Math Olympiad skills without endless practice sessions. Even if you're new to math competitions, proven Math Olympiad strategies, boost problem solving. Now this gives you in text form. You need to convert this into an image ad. For that, we give you a template. You just take this template and all you have to do is of course copy and paste. Today you're doing text and then copying and pasting it into a template. But when you do this, you will actually have a complete ad that is good to go, that will work in the market and start generating leads. In fact, several of our coaches have used ads exactly like this and generated leads within 1 week of joining us. We actually measure that, right? How fast are people able to generate leads once they join us? And let's go back here. Obviously 5 minutes is over. So what is the website looking like, right? So when you go down, you see success stories. Arav won gold at the regional Math Olympiad, mastered advanced calculus. Why learn this? Want to master complex math problems effortlessly? Who is this for? How it works section, what you will learn, everything is being generated by AI, so your membership plans, right? So all of these are membership plans. What should you include? What should you sell? How do you sell it? right? A little bit about you and why you're so passionate about this, testimonials, FAQs, everything ready. Of course, you need to edit it and make it your own. You need to put in real images of students, etc. But the point is, you've gotten a 70% there website. You know the structure, you know what you need to replace. Very easy to replace all of this just by going to settings, landing page, home page. Everything is editable. No drag and drop. Right? No trying to design a website, etc. You just go, click, edit if you like, right? Edit, change the image, put a different name, put a different achievement, and now that shows up on your website. Easy to get started. Now this is essentially what we have done with one single input. That what you do, you've gotten a website, you've gotten your first ad, you also have training assistants that's already available for you to start coaching. You don't really need anything more. This is the future. This is why we call ourselves an AI first LMS. It gets you online super fast, but we do not just focus on giving you a place to host your courses, host your videos. That's not what we are really focused on. We want to help you generate leads. We want to help you coach. We want to give you interactive interfaces. We want to do all of this, and that's why Unsolved exists. Hopefully this has given you a peek into what we do, and you better understand how you can leverage this for the success of tutors and coaches.